You know, you don't need to reinvent the wheel to create a successful YouTube automation channel. But the simplicity of the idea behind this channel is going to blow your mind. Time lapses of rotting fruits, vegetables, and so many other things you wouldn't think about watching. But this channel managed to reach spectacular revenues, over $1 million this year. If we're talking about this channel, it's because the idea itself is not subliminal. The execution is, which led us to a very important conclusion. If you want to succeed in YouTube automation, you'll have to come up with a brilliant strategy, not a brilliant topic. That's why we're going to go through all the pieces of the puzzle. And as always, we'll not leave you with flighty advice. So make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss any of our YouTube automation study cases. In this video, we actually have specific instructions for you on what kind of channel you can start following, the YouTube automation model of Temponate Timelapse. But before that, when we were making our research about Temponate Timelapse, we found out that there was a specific moment when the channel increased its views significantly. A particular event that pushed the channel and put its creators right in the lucky circle of YouTube millionaires. So stay with us until the end. Filming a quite disgusting rotting papaya got the creator of Temponate Timelapse millions of dollars. We can't deny that the idea was audacious. But video creation has a lot to do with over 1 million people subscribing to this channel. The video has everything needed to get an extended time watch, a curiosity that can't be satisfied if they don't keep watching until the end. And to maintain the viewer's attention, the time lapse plays an important role. It creates this captivating event that benefits the channel and makes YouTube suggest it to more and more people. And as you see, the channel is completely voiceless, so no script or voiceover needed. However, if you think the owner of the channel saved money by escaping those two elements, you got it all wrong. The most spectacular thing about Temponate Timelapse is the quality of the filming. So, in order to reach this level of video execution, you need a good camera and solid shooting skills. The 4K rendering makes it easy for the viewer to stick with this ice cream melting, this flower blooming, and this beer becoming definitely good for the garbage. But if we look at previous videos, let's say the first one published years ago in the channel, the shooting device wasn't that refined. So if you have a great idea for a YouTube automation channel and you're still hesitating because of your lack of resources, don't let it be the reason you don't start confidently. Great things take time, and a profitable YouTube automation channel is no exception. So jump in with what you already have, no matter how not enough you think it is. If we choose to show you this channel, it's because there is a lot to learn from its success. Not only you don't need to show up on camera and use your voice to kill it in the YouTube automation business, but you also don't need to hire someone for your script or voiceover. If you decide to give this strategy a shot, you'll only have to focus on a few aspects of video creation. In this case, it's the shooting part. We personally find Temponate Timelapse beyond smart, and you can duplicate this idea to create your own $1 million business. And as we said at the beginning of this video, we'll not leave you with superficial advice. We actually have specific channel ideas. Why don't you try the exact same thing and try to improve only one aspect of the time-lapse concept? You can use a better camera, you can choose a better shooting angle, you can add a voiceover, or whatever idea comes up in your mind to reproduce this channel idea in your own way. If millions of people are watching time lapses, it shows that there is an existing audience for this kind of content. You won't have to imagine something new and test it on the platform. The second idea you could try is the exact same thing, but in reverse. A slow motion channel, for example. Don't forget to pick nice background music to maintain the viewer's attention. And let us tell you now that the best moment to start YouTube automation, if you haven't yet, is now. Why? Well, the answer to this question is exactly what made Temponate Timelapse blow up in a spectacular way. YouTube Shorts program. Yep, since YouTube created the TikTok section inside its platform, many channels like this one started getting thousands of views in a very short time. Plus, the concept of the channel itself is suitable for under 15-second videos. So is the slow motion effect. Thank you guys for sticking around until the end. If you're looking for more ideas to start your YouTube automation channel, we recommend watching the following video.